Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kyra. We're here with another clean with me. It's been a couple weeks since the last time I uploaded. I think it's been about maybe a month or 3 weeks. But I was pretty much just chilling for the past couple of days while I was off. And after we had lunch, I was like, okay, let me get up and straighten up this house. So I just did like my standard cleaning routine, kitchen, living room, bathrooms. I did some laundry and it was a pretty chill cleanup day. Kyrie was taking a nap while I was doing all of this. And then eventually he got up and him and Malik were chilling while I was finishing cleaning. So I'm going to pop on some music. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will pop in and talk to you guys in a little bit.
Watching you go, I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나 둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각 But I found the love of my life. 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸. The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be. 잊혀질 환상일까? 두려워하는 나의 손을 잡아줄 거란 뜻을 알아. Baby, take my hand. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 내 맘은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아. You're my teddy bear, teddy bear. 뜨거운 너의 품, 나는 원해 너의 눈. The sweet. You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear.
Alright, so now we're in Kyra's bedroom, and I'm just doing a standard cleaning here. I didn't really like do too much, but I wiped out the counters, all that good stuff. No one really uses this bathroom. Like Kyra's dad and I, we use our bathroom, and then if we do have company, of course they'll use the bathroom in there, wash their hands. But like Kyra gets all the baths in there. I like taking baths, but I don't take them as much as I should. I don't take showers more than I would like to sit in that. But I really recommend to take a warm bath with like Epsom salt and like oils and all of that. So I think that's something I'm gonna try to prioritize as like a self-care routine for 2025. But anyways, yeah, just wipe it down. Everything. He used to have like this cute little hanger for the shower wall, like above the tub for all of his toys. It was made out of like mesh, so it's breathable, but it keeps falling off the wall. I guess the suction cups are not working as well anymore. So I have all of his bath toys sitting in like a container on the counter. But I really need to go through those because like I do not like a lot of bath toys. The idea of like stuff in the bathtub with my kid really scares me. So like now for the past couple of weeks, I've just been giving him like 2 to 3 toys, and I just like rinse them really good. I don't know. I hate the idea of mold, so I'm gonna get on Amazon, see if I can find another like mesh holder so that way it's like breathable. But for now, we're just putting it on the counter, and I just try to make it look as neat as possible. And y'all, I just want to say I'm really thankful to have a washer and dryer in my place, but the way I cannot stand getting hit in the head by the stackable washer and dryer, I'm so used to the side-by-side ones. It's crazy. Like the next place we move, I really want to just have a side-by-side washer and dryer. So this was so funny. So like when we got back from getting dinner, we had got sushi, and I had put a tank top on. Well, I thought it was a tank top underneath of my sweatshirt because it was cold outside. And so when I went back and looked at the footage, I'm like, oh my God, that was not a tank top. Like you can legit see the tail from the bodysuit, and it's just so funny looking. Like y'all are gonna laugh at me, but I don't know what I was thinking. But that pretty much concludes the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be putting out something more before the holidays, but I hope you guys enjoy this video.